Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be focusing on how you can customize the view to make the IRM layout or display work best for you. Let's get started. First things first, let's open up the IRM. You'll find it on the left sidebar navigation. Just click on the IRM menu item and there you go. Now let's talk about customizing what you see. In the infrastructure location section, see those three dots on the right? Click on them and you'll have two main options. In single table, this gives you separate tables or subsections for each category, like wireless, warehouses, etc. Or tabs, where everything is listed in one big table, organized by separate tabs. Next up is inventory. The three dots here offer slightly different choices. Tiles, and each piece of equipment gets its own little box showing how many you have, or the list or table view. It's like a spreadsheet where you can even add or remove columns. The purchase order section works similarly, with options for tiles or the list or table view available. Now what if you want to see more or less of a certain section? Go back to those three dots. You'll see options for half and an option to set it to full. Half shrinks the section down great for seeing multiple things at once, and full takes up the whole screen, perfect when you need to focus on one area. And the cool part? You can drag these half-size sections around to arrange them however you like. So there you have it. With these customization options, you can tailor the IRM view to perfectly match your workflow. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.